Hello everyone, welcome to TeknoDestek channel. Today in this video I will try to tell you how you can change your TP-Link Archer D7 ADSL router settings. First, you have to connect your modem to your phone or your computer. After you connect your modem to your phone or computer, you have to open a web browser page, and in this web browser page you have to type 192.168.1.1. After this you type this address, you have to see this page, its login page. Username is must to be admin and your password is admin. After you type your username and password, click on login button. After that, at the left side, you will see quick setup. Click on quick setup. After that, you will see this page. Click on next button. After that, you will see time zone part. In this page, you have to choose your time zone and click on next again. After that, auto detect connection type, you have to choose yes and then click on next button. On this page, it's your username and password. Your username and password, you can get it from your internet service. After you get your username and password, you have to type it in here and click on next. On this page, it's your wireless settings. You can make a wireless network name in here, and in security, make a password for your Wi-Fi. After you do that, you have to click on next again. On this page you will see your information. After you see your information and everything is right in here, you have to click on save button. For complete your settings, you have to click on finish button. After you click on your finish button, your modem settings, router settings will be done and your internet connection will work. If you have any problem or have any question, you can call 11858 call center. If you call this number, they will help you about your problem. Please don't forget to like this video, and thank you very much for watching it. Have a good day. Bye.